this is Mary Lane from the Buying Space channel with
Jessica K.
And we're doing an unboxing. It was meant to be a double unboxing from Barbie and Ken. And we have a part one that's Barbie and Ken's jewelry that we unboxed. The second part is from Cindy Loves Jewelry. So Cindy and I have kind of the same taste in jewelry, which is wonderful. Part of the unboxing for Cindy is on part one. And I'll put a link below for part one. So the first set out of the box is this set of 2 bead necklaces, earrings, and a bracelet. You want to try the bracelet on, Jessica?
So smooth. I love that freaking.
And we also have this necklace, which has faux pearls in silver tone.
Chains.
And white, and chains hanging down. And it's new attacks. Never been worn. Here we have a set of earrings, a dangly pair of pierced earrings. Here's the second one. Beautiful earrings. And you want to show that necklace?
Yeah. It's very long. It's like...
It's over the neck long, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now during the auction, Cindy was talking about maybe taking that necklace apart and making it a shorter necklace. And here we have a new wood tag set of earrings. I like the style of these. These are pretty.
Was this on its own, or? Oh, okay. I see.
There are 2 earrings. They're hooked together. Those are pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, there's like a gem in the middle.
Yeah. Ooh, I love these. I love the look of them.
Oh yeah.
It makes me wish I'd gotten my ears pierced as a kid.
You like the design? We're gonna have to do that. We're gonna get your hair cut soon. Both have to go to a beautician or have one come in. Maybe they can get your ears pierced at home too.
Oh, that's just
And
packaging.
here's a lot of jewelry. Wait a minute. These are the rings from yesterday. Okay, those rings were a free gift from Barbie to Jessica. And then we have a sticky note stuck on the side of the box. Let me see those. Ooh. Can't say enough about these earrings. These are gorgeous too. I love these dangly earrings, and they have a back, so not just a hook, and they have pearls on them. It's beautiful. And here's the matching earring.
Oh, that's adorable.
And then we have a thank you note from Cindy. Thanks, Myra. Enjoy, Cindy. Well, thank you, Cindy. I really enjoy spending time in your auction. And I really like your taste in jewelry. And I look forward to seeing you and April, Boji Bear Vintage, in the second Wednesday of the month for your craft sale.
Elephant beads on this.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Yeah, there's a bunch of little elephant beads.
There's leaves. Show the elephant beads.
Yeah, that's what I'm holding.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Those are so neat. Well, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more jewelry from Mary Lane and
Jessica K,
hit that all bell on the subscribe button. Thank you.